In part 1, we brought this car back to the life by repairing the damaged panels and fixing a bodywork. Then in part 2, we sand the primer, removed the imperfection, and laid down the fresh base coat and clear coat for both sides of the car. But job is not finished yet. In this episode, we're preparing the roof, bonnet, rear bumper, and the side mirrors for the paint. That means fixing a dent, sanding everywhere step by step from the rough to ultra smooth, masking a car properly, and getting these panels ready for paint. And trust me, the transformation is going to be satisfying. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2, I highly recommend going back and checking them out so you can see all the transformation from the beginning. Then, before we jumping into today's episode, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel so you don't miss the final stage of the abandoned Audi full Respray. Alright, let's get started.
Alright, I'll come back for the last stage. It's already a couple of days past after the both sides been painted, and this time I will paint the front bumper, roof, boot, and rear bumper. I'm not touching the front bumper because I have to wait till the customer comes and decide for front bumper, because the front bumper is already half missed and we need to decide for the front bumper. So maybe he wants to use the different shape of the aftermarket front bumper to make it look more sportish. But anyway, this time I prepare the back, roof, and bonnet. All right, for the boot, I start with the 240 grit on the block sanding. I found a little imperfection here, and then this one, it was the paint being chipped. So I put the body filler in at the back, which is here. It was little dents, and I apply the body filler as well. So I have to sand them off, make them smooth, spray the primer, and then do the rest. All right, it's ready for paint. I washed it, masked it off, and I already cleaned it with the Prep Sol, which is the wax and grease removal. Include the two mirrors, which is I'll put it on the stand, and the boot lid trim, that one is removed and paint separately as well. It's still I'm waiting for the front bumper to find out the customer he wants to put it on maybe the aftermarket bumper or still the same thing, which is this one is not really good condition because the bottom half is already missed. Anyway, I already sprayed the water on the ground to stop the dust not blowing off when I'm painting it. Quickly, I'll show you how it looks like.
Thanks for watching and following this restoration journey. In the next episode and final chapter, we'll complete the project and send this Audi back home where it belongs. Stay tuned, the final result is coming. See you then.